Hello friends, this is Anand from Hash Management Services. You all know that Hash Management Services is working with some of India's well-known manufacturing companies. One of the biggest problems our manufacturing industry faces is not the lack of technology or not the lack of finance, but it's the lack of good quality people who can add value to the companies. On the other side, we have a lot of engineers who are coming out of the colleges who are not readily employable, and they finally end up in jobs like providing delivery to customers through Swiggy, Amazon, etc. It's really sad to see engineers doing these kind of jobs. There is a big employability gap between the industries and the institutions, which people like us we need to bridge. McKinsey has recently published an article where they said more than 90% of Indian engineers are not readily employable. This is across sectors, ranging from IT to manufacturing, and this is the employability gap we are talking about. For example, an engineer who is joining a purchase function doesn't know about what is a purchase order or what are the various ordering techniques which are available, like reorder level or two-bin system, etc., where manufacturing industry expects the engineer to have a basic idea of all these things, but unfortunately these things are not covered in our curriculum, and this is the employability gap we are all talking about. But colleges, they are also providing placement related training where they cover only soft skills or general aptitude or how to perform in the interview, but functional knowledge is not being given to the students who are completing the mechanical engineering or any other engineer related engineering fields where they are expected to join a core sector. The same is the case with production planning, quality, stores, maintenance. All these functions require a certain level of knowledge for the people to come in and add value, but unfortunately this knowledge is not available for the students in their curriculum. So what is the solution? We are organizing a 5-day workshop for people who have completed their mechanical engineering degree or triple E degree, where they are looking for jobs in manufacturing sector. Plus we can also accommodate people who are in the final year of mechanical or triple E engineering streams. This 5-day workshop covers the basics of manufacturing industry. It talks about general introduction to the various functions, what are the process flows in the particular function, what are the tools and techniques one should use, what are the reports one should generate, and what are the job responsibilities. All those things which a person learns after joining a company, this is what we are going to cover in this 5-day workshop, so that they can be job ready and the company need not have to spend a lot of time and effort in training these people. And this is primarily the induction program which happens after they join the company, but we are planning to provide it before they join the company. We are also planning to place a few of our students who are attending this workshop at our clients' locations, because all our clients are asking for quality people, and we are going to place at least 20% of the people at our clients' locations. And you can refer this program to your friends and relatives or your batchmates who are looking for jobs in manufacturing sector, but they don't know what to do. I mean, many people we have spoken to, they don't have a clue of what's happening in the industry. So those people who are looking to join manufacturing jobs, please do attend this program. I'm sure that this program will add a lot of value to you and your career. Thank you. See you in our workshop. Bye.